How to find the best stocks for intraday or short term? Find it out. There are two ways to find the stocks. One is manual method using nseindia.com and another is using screener from TradingView. For intraday or day trading, we need to complete the trading in the first 1 hour 15 minutes or last 1 hour 15 minutes. That is from 9:15 to 10:30 or 2:15 to 3:30, as the volume tend to be more by that time. In between, the market will be in a consolidation or else it will be setting for a new trend. In first method, we'll visit the nseindia.com. So this is nseindia.com. We find these stocks manually. Click on the market data and select equity and SMA. By default, Nifty 50 will be selected. You can change the selection if you are particular of the different sector or the size of the company. Select the, so once the page opens, so you'll get a list of the company. So if you are on a buying side, like if you want to buy these stocks, you need to consider the first 5 stocks, and if you are going for selling of the stocks, then select the last 5 stocks. That is last 5 stocks. When to select the buy stocks or sell stocks? So for that, we need to analyze the Nifty chart. Go to tradingview.com, enter Nifty 50 here, and this is the day time frame and this is the chart of the Nifty. So check the price of the Nifty. If the price is below moving average 20, this blue line is the moving average 20. If the price is below moving average 20 in Nifty, then we will analyze the last 5 stocks. That is selling stocks will analyze. If the price is above moving average 20, then we will analyze the first 5 stocks. Presently, the price of the Nifty is below moving average 20. So we will select the last 5 stocks for analysis. So we will be selecting the last 5 stocks, that is Adani Enterprise, HDFC Bank, Apollo Hospital, HDFC, Indus Bank. You can check the change in percentage change in all these selling stocks. So we got minus 3%, minus 2.61, minus 2.3, minus 2. Compare that to the buying stocks. So you'll get the less movement. See, only 1% change, 0.8% change, 0.6% change. So that's why we need to go for selling of the stocks. If the price, please note it down. If the price is below moving average 20, this is the price of the Nifty. This is below moving average 20 in Nifty. Then we need to select the last 5 stocks. That is, we need to go for selling of the stocks. And this has to be done at 9:20 a.m. Then this is Adani Ent. Go to TradingView, enter Adani Enterprise. So this is the chart. So for day trading, we need to select the time frame 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay. And if you know any strategy, if you are having any favorite strategy, you can analyze the chart using that strategy. Or else, I have explained in other videos the breakout strategy. You can use that also to find the movement of the stocks. So if you get a stock with good breakout, you can place a trade with predefined stop loss and target. So this is about the manual selection of the stocks for day trading or short term. So next we are going to second method, that is selecting of the stocks using screeners in TradingView. Go to tradingview.com, go to product, select screener and select stock. So this is the screen you will be getting, and if the country is different, change the country to Indian market. Select any screener. There will be predefined screeners will be there. So these are all defined screeners I have defined by myself for different conditions. So predefined conditions also, by default it is there. Select any screener and click on filter, reset all. So here I'll be providing the condition for selecting the cell stocks. Okay. So we have already reset the condition. But first I'll explain the condition for downtrend. Okay, we'll go to Nifty chart. So for downtrend, how the moving average behaves, how the volume has to be, how the RSI behaves, that we need to analyze. Okay. For downtrend, this red line is the moving average 6. This blue line is moving average 40, 20. This black line is moving average 40. So moving average 6 is below moving average 20. Moving average 20 is below than moving average 40. So this is for downtrend. And check the RSI. So while going downtrend, the RSI is crossing below 80. So we'll select the 70 RSI, stochastic RSI. And for day trading, volume has to be very important. So we need to mention the volume as greater than 5 lakhs. So again, go to screener. So we'll define all those things. Stochastic RSI has to be below 70. Okay, next volume. Next volume has to be more than 5 lakhs. Then moving average. Moving average, I don't want exponential. We'll look for simple moving average. Moving average 6 is not there, so I'll be selecting 5. So look into the Nifty chart. So this 6 is below moving average 20. So that we will define as simple moving average 5 is below then simple moving average 20. Okay. Then next condition is simple moving average 20 is below moving average 40, right? Moving average 40. Moving average 40 is not there, so I'll select nearby, that is 50, or even we can select 30. I'll go for 50. So close the screen and click on the screener, scroll up and save screen as intraday cell. Okay. So here is the list of the company we got for selling. Click on technical rating. So we'll get all the strong sell calls. So analyze one by one, and same thing whatever I told for Adani, and use the 5-minute or 15-minute time frame. Analyze using any strategy you know, or you can use this strategy, that is breakout strategy I have explained in my videos. And if you find any good trade, execute the call with predefined stop loss and target. Okay, so that's it for selecting this stock using screener. And for buying of the stocks, I'll explain the conditions. Okay, so while going uptrend, what is the condition? This is moving average 6, moving average 20, and this is moving average 40. So moving average 6 is above moving average 20, and moving average 20 is above moving average 40. And check the RSI. RSI is crossing 20. So we'll select the 30 RSI. So go to screener, select anything. Select any screener name. Go to filter, reset all. So RSI has to be, for buying I am telling, RSI has to be above 30. And volume has to be more than 5 lakhs. And moving average 20 is above moving average 50. And where is moving average 5? Moving average 5. Okay, moving average 5 is above moving average 20. So this is the condition for buying of the stocks. So this is the screener. Save it as intraday buy. Save screen as intraday buy. Intraday buy. So we got all the stocks. Select the technical rating. So these are all the strong buy stocks. So analyze one by one stocks. Same thing, you need to select the 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame and check for any strategy you know, or use the breakout strategy which I explained in my previous videos. And if you get a good stock, place the call with predefined stop loss and target. So that's it about the selection of the stock using the screener. So we will summarize. Okay, there are two ways. So how to find the stocks, how to find the best stocks for intraday or short term. So there are two ways to find the stocks. One is manual method using nseindia.com website, or using screener with using trading view. And for day trading, we need to finish the in first 1 hour 15 minutes or last 1 hour 15 minutes. So for manual selection, visit the nseindia.com at around 9:20 a.m. Select the market data, select equity and SME. So Nifty 50 will be selected and it will display all the stocks. So first 5 stocks you need to select for buy, and last 5 stocks you need to select for selling. And how to go for buying or selling if the value of the nifty chart, Nifty 50, if the price of the Nifty 50 is below moving average 20, then we need to go for selling of the stocks. If the price or value of the Nifty 50 is above moving average 20, then we go for buying of the stocks. So that is about manual selection. And using screener condition, we need to use the trading view screener. And for buy screener, the conditions are volume has to be greater than 5 lakhs, stochastic RSI has to be greater than 30, moving average 6 is above moving average 20, and moving average 20 is above moving average 40. Why I have given both and is both the condition needs to be met for buy screener condition. This is for buyer screener. And sell screener conditions are volume has to be volume has to be greater than 500k. Volume has to be more for both the screener, both buy and sell. So volume has to be, here typing mistake, volume has to be greater than 500k, that is 5 lakhs. Stochastic RSI is less than 70. Moving average 6 is below moving average 20. And moving average 20 is below moving average 40. Hope this learning helps you to find the best stocks for day trading or short term and bring value to your trading journey. Happy trading. Thank you.